Their mistakes, your headaches. Let me talk to you about USCIS, okay? Let me tell you something about USCIS. When it comes to USCIS mistakes, I'm not talking about the small mistakes where you can, fix them by requesting an expedited request based on their error, right? Because on the USCIS website, it says that when they make a mistake, it's clear error on their part, you can ask them to expedite your case based on the mistake that they made. An example could be, they deny your green card application, maybe because they didn't see the medical exam that you sent, but you have proof that it was sent within the deadline. Then when you reopen the case, you don't have to file the fee. You don't have to pay for the fees because, it's their mistakes to fix because it's their error. Those are small mistakes. I'm talking about when USCIS issued you a green card in error. Basically, they shouldn't do it, but they did it. Maybe because they overlooked something and later on they backtrack and they find out that they made a mistake. You're just going to find yourself in removal proceedings. That's just that, okay? So an example of that one could be, it happens a lot with employment-based type of petitions. Remember that in order to be eligible for a green card based on employment, the person must be within lawful status. If they have more than 6 months of unlawful presence, they cannot adjust status. Unless maybe they qualify under 245I or something around those lines, right? But sometimes USCIS will overlook that because by calculating those unlawful presence, maybe it was already 7 months by the time you apply for adjustment of status. They didn't see it, they overlook it, and they give you the green card. And when you go for your naturalization, and they start verifying facts and they see that it was a mistake, they are just going to deny naturalization and they're going to refer the case to immigration court for further processing. Basically, just you will be placed in removal proceedings. That's just how it goes with those type of mistakes. That's why it's important to have a qualifying attorney who can look over your case to avoid those type of mistakes. Because if you had, let's say the person had a qualifying lawyer who will look into the case and make a true assessment of the case, they'll find out that this person is not qualified for adjustment of status based on unlawful presence of more than 6 months. Okay? When it comes to employment-based, I'm talking about employment-based green cards. And in some instances, too, mistakes could be on the family-based petitions. And, later on, they should have never given you the green card, but they did. And later on, they find some type of misrepresentations on your part, but they overlook on those. Yeah, you find yourself in removal proceedings, okay? Yeah, this is the tip of the day, Sunday, December 22nd, 2024. Until next time, bye-bye.